Hiya, this is what to try if your vacuum cuts out suddenly when you're vacuuming, and this is really hot round here. These vacuums, and all vacuums, have a little known thing that's called a filter. And I thought, when you've tried everything, try that in the instructions, because nobody reads instructions unless everything else fails. In the instructions it said there's a filter. I had a look, there's your filter. Turn it that way to get it out. And on here, when I pulled this out, it was black and thick. You can order new filters for about £20 per vacuum, whichever. So I ordered a new filter for it, popped it in, set it up again, and you know what? We were back to normal. Didn't have to pay £200 for a new vacuum. Okay, so it's worth trying. If it overheats, goes off, and it's hot there, check your filter. Okay? And obviously, unblock the pipes and everything, and just make sure that this is clean out there. But yeah, hot here, goes off, filter. Okay?